SIU has returned 1.7 billion to NAFSA after recovering funds from university, technical college and former students who did not qualify for the state funding. In addition to institution agreements, SIU has concluded agreements with more than 1,000 parents and former students to repay roughly 1.26 million through signed agreements. Payments have already been received from several institutions, including the University of the Free State, University of Mpumalanga, and Tshwane North Technical College, as part of the effort to ensure public money is redirected to general students' needs. The figures were recently revealed by the SIU after announcing on the 6th of December that the University of Wits and University of Free State paid roughly 4.50 million respectful to the SIU. Back in August 2022, President Cyril Ramaphosa authorized the SIU to investigate serious corruption operation and recover any financial losses suffered by the state due to corruption.